So this is the Alter G. I've been using it for on and off 2.5 years. Originally I was using it as a speed and performance goal, and I was looking at doing my 1k reps on here at 90% body weight, but effectively running 2-3 kilometers an hour faster, and using it to develop leg speed, which helped me knock a couple of minutes, 3 minutes off my half marathon time in the 6 months I was using it. From there, I obviously knew about the machine, and years later damaged my Achilles, and from there I came back to Balance to use the Alter G again, this time very much the rehab tool, and I was using it 6% body weight, just turning the legs over, just trying to keep some fitness, aerobic fitness, and from there I built up, and I'm now using it at 85-90% body weight, running 17k an hour, and running anywhere between 70 and 120k a week on this machine. And I still can't really run outside at all, so I'm hoping this is going to be the next progression to start me running outside, but for the time being my aerobic fitness is exactly where I want it to be, muscle memory, everything like that is kept on track with this, and hopefully as the Achilles progresses with the treatment I'm having with dry needling, I'll take this fitness, take this leg speed and improve my marathon times.